Hi, my name is Jessica, owner of Jessica Rose Salon, celebrity stylist for over 23 years. And I'm here today to talk about the StyleWrap 4-in-1 Dryer by Skin Research Institute. Together, we are going to make a fabulous hairstyle that will make you feel confident and beautiful. So let's unbox the StyleWrap Dryer Brush. Look at this beautiful packaging. Inside is the base unit, left and right curling barrels, the round brush, and the straightening brush. All the tools you need in one to look like you just walked out of the salon. When you turn on the StyleWrap Dryer Brush, you'll see you can select the temperature setting that's just right for you and your hair type and the style you desire. There are 3 temperatures and wind speeds or airflows, and it's indicated by color lights of blue for low, yellow for medium, and red for high settings. I recommend for over-processed damaged hair, start with the lower temperature, and then you could slowly work your way up. So these barrels use Coanda effect, which, to get technical, is the action in fluid mechanics whereby a flow along a solid surface tend to follow the curvature of the surface rather than separating. For example, when I'm trying to pour something into a cup from a pitcher, but it ends up sticking to the pitcher and dripping all over the table instead of in the cup, I think we've all seen that. And so this is where the magic happens. We'll take a section of your hair, and thanks to the Coanda air wrapping effect, style becomes a breeze. To switch the attachments out, just simply hold down the lock and unlock button here and pull up like so. Make sure you use the glove included when doing this so you do not burn yourself. The StyleWrap is great because it dries your hair and you have the attachment options for different styles. So it's also great for traveling. For a sleek straight look, switch to the straightening brush, which will glide down your hair, leaving with smooth, frizz-free locks. And then of course the round brush can give you a bit of a bend or waves for a voluminous type look. And there you have it, admire your beautiful hair. Thank you for getting educated with me, Jessica, in the 4-in-1 Wrap by Skin Research Institute. Thank you and have a great day. To maintain the StyleWrap, clean the attachments regularly with a dry cloth and wipe it down. And something really cool I wanted to point out is this amazing StyleWrap has a self-cleaning function. Take this vent sheet off and press this wind speed adjustment button right here for 3 seconds, and it will start the self-cleaning process for 8 seconds to keep your product in tip-top shape for beautiful hair.